Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you the slimes that I received from my trade with Trill.Slime. So if you guys want to check her out, her YouTube and her shop will be linked down below, and she'll be posting a video of the slimes that I sent her soon, so make sure to check that one out as well. So as you can see, she packaged everything well. Her slimes were all bubble wrapped and she sent me so many extras. I'm just trying to dig them out here. This is everything that she sent me. She sent me 4 of her 6-ounce slimes, some candy, a bunch of glitter, this little balloon thing, and that's flat ball, some more of her care sheet, other things like buttons and stickers, and a flarp. So this is what her business card looks like. It tells you the instructions for borax and all that stuff. So the first slime that she sent me was her cucumber melon slime, and this one I believe is her best seller. And this one smells really good. It doesn't smell like your basic cucumber melon. It has like a slight floral scent into it, which actually smells really good. And this slime was very, very glossy, very stretchy, and it made very nice clicks. Next up we have Love Potion, and this one was a super gorgeous jelly slime. It came with some of those hearts on the bottom. It had heart glitters and iridescent glitter in it, and this one had like a slight pinkish purple color, which made it really cool. So this was a really nice jelly slime. It had an amazing stretchy texture, and it also had a slight jiggle to it when you would poke it or squeeze it. And this one did have a scent to it, which I'm not sure what it was scented, but it smelled a little fruity, like a bit of grape. But anyways, it smelled really good. So this is what the slime looks like after you play with it a lot. So it gets super bubbly, and it has a really light pinkish purple color. This next slime is called Rainbow Sherbet, and this one came pink and peach, which made a really nice color. I actually really like this color, and when you mix it together it becomes a nice salmon color. So she describes this as a jelly bean scented cloud slime, but the scent is much more fruitier, I believe. It smells more citrusy, which is actually really great because I really like fruity scents. And if you like fruity scents, then this one is perfect for you. This is a really nice, soft, and dense cloud slime. It doesn't leave any wet residue on your fingers, and there is no snow fallout. To me, it's kind of more of a cloud cream than a cloud slime since it's pretty hard to fluff up. But this one is still my favorite out of the package since it smells really good and is thick, holdable, and very stretchy. Lastly, we have Cookie Dough Shake, and this one was a very nice slime. It had a strong cookie dough scent. This one has black glitters in it to represent the chocolate chips, I believe, and she describes it as a thick creamy base, and it is exactly that. It's a thick, glossy, and creamy slime. So that's it for the video, and I really want to thank Trina for trading with me. And if you guys want to check out her shop, which I really recommend, it will be linked down below. So thank you so much for watching.